Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to know if your TikTok account is private. So the first step is to open the TikTok app on this Android device. So when the TikTok is open, you will have to go in the right below profile icon. So from here you will just go on the top right corner of three lines of settings. Click to settings and privacy. So now you will just tap to account. You will just go back and click to privacy. So from here you will see the private account, uh, not turn it on because my account is on not private. If you want to private, you will just turn it on. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.